Hello guys, welcome back. In this video tutorial, we will create a filter data in Microsoft Excel. At the end of the video, you will be able to filter your data effectively. Let us get started. You have this name and their occupation. So we want to filter this data. Write this formula, filter, add $sign by pressing F4 on your keyboard, or if F4 doesn't work, you can add manually. Again, F4 equal, as you can see here, it filtered all civil engineers. Make a copy, paste here as a formula. Again, as you can see, all data are filtered. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.